Top freelancers using AI tools earn 3x more per hour than those who don't. This stat costs under $100 per month and saves 15 plus hours weekly. ChatGPT drafts proposals and emails in seconds. Loom AI auto-generates summaries and action items from client calls. Together, they cut admin time by 60%. Claude handles long-form writing, research, and analysis. Canva AI creates polished deliverables, presentations, and reports without a design background. Notion AI auto-organizes tasks, generates project timelines, and summarizes meeting notes. It's your virtual project manager that never forgets a deadline. Automated invoicing, expense tracking, and tax prep. These tools pay for themselves by catching missed billable hours and optimizing your pricing. Download my free Freelancer AI toolkit checklist in the description. Let me know in the comments which tool changed your freelance game the most.